I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select an action Autonomy. Connect to Autonomy. Autonomy connected successfully. Next. Choose a list. Choose a tag. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Autonomy dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. You can see here that the data was successfully received in Autonomy. Thanks for watching.